Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I have for you today a Project Pan update. Here are my 10 products. It's a rolling 10 Project Pan, which means that I always have 10 products in. Whenever something is finished or I hit my goal on it, then I complete a usage goal, then I roll it out and I bring in a new product. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you the things in order that they were rolled into the project. In whatever. I'm trying to film really quickly before the sun disappears completely, so bear with me. Okay, first product, that is my Paese bronzer, and the goal was to use it up, and as you can see it is now completely empty. It has taken me 71 uses from the moment I rolled it in to using it up, sorry. The pan was in it I think before. So I'm glad because it expired technically last month. So I'm happy I got the use out of it basically. And I have an empty bronzer, which I think is like my second empty bronzer ever, I think? Maybe. But yeah, so this will be rolling out. Next up I have a Zara small like roller perfume. And we are now at 28 uses from the moment I rolled it in. So from here was the line till here. So technically if I would use it every month I could probably finish this every day of the month, but I really don't. Now you can see how much I used last month. It was like a minimal amount. So yeah, I don't like to put like too much perfume on my skin directly, which with this being a roller I have to. I prefer to just spray it on my clothes. But yeah, I will be getting through it at some point. Okay, next one is my Felita Natural Foundation. And I used it in total 15 times, although since last time only 4. So the mark has not moved. Okay, so the camera cut off as I was talking about this foundation. What I said is that I used it 4 times since rolling it in last time. And the line has not moved. In total I used it 15 times. And generally it's a good foundation, but it's quite full coverage, which I'm not really into that much anymore. So it's going slow, and technically it's also expired for 2 months. But as long as it doesn't like break me out, I'm gonna keep using it. Although it's a lot, so I'm assuming like in a couple of months it's gonna just be decluttered from my collection. Then I have the Catrice True Skin Mineral Loose Powder. And this one is to use up, and I have used it 54 times since rolling it in, and you can see the markings where I'm at right now. So I think 2 more months, maybe 1 if I'm heavy with powder, but definitely in 2 months this will be rolled out. It's actually a nice powder, so you know, I don't like have to use it up, but it's one that's open, and I have quite a few waiting just in my collection for me to try them. So I want to use one up and open another one. Alrighty, then I have the Catrice Liquid Eyeshadow. My goal was to use it 20 times. I have used it 7. I have 7 more to go. I have a complete like shutdown in my brain. I have 7 more to go. So you can see here the progress I have made. I think it's actually quite significant. Like here is the line. That's where I was earlier. So yeah, 7 more uses and now we'll be rolling this out. It's actually nice, just have to kind of work with it quite quick. Next item is this Catrice Essence Make Me Brow Gel. I had 20 uses on this as a goal. I did that. It's rolling out. I wouldn't repurchase this color. It's too dark for me. I might the lighter one. This is the 02. I might at some point repurchase the 01. That's not a bad product, just this one is way too dark for me. The Madara SPF 30 like sunscreen thing, like a BB sunscreen thing. I have 50 uses on that, and I used it so far 11. Let me show you how far I am. So this is where we were when I started it, at the top, and I think now I'm around here. That's kind of like where the packaging bends. and I can feel like there is no product at the top. So it's going actually quite well, and I'm really hoping that by the end of the year I can finish it, just because it expires in December. So, but I think it's gonna be feasible. So I'm also hoping that the 50 uses will get me like halfway maybe. But yeah, it's a very nice product, also on its own, I think. For me, maybe sometimes it's a bit too dark, but all in all, I really enjoy it. Pure by Closhi eye cream, Lumi eye cream. My goal was 15 uses. I have used it 13, but I will roll it out just because I will probably use it today. And then, you know, I don't want to keep it in the project for a month with like 2 uses to go or 1 use to go. I am really enjoying it, so I will keep on using it. It's pomegranate and mica, it says. But yeah, I have made myself use it. I'm enjoying it. I will keep on using it until it's done. L'Oreal Liquid Highlighter. My goal is 20 uses. I have used it 4 times so far. There is no movement when it comes to like the line changing, so I will just keep on using it, and if I try hard enough I could roll it out next month. And for this one, Ethos Lip Pencil, the goal is to use it up. I have used it 7 times, which is actually quite a lot, and we are almost done. So as you can tell, next month it's definitely a rollout, and I'll be happy because then that means I actually used up a whole lip liner. Okay, so what I'm rolling out is the empty bronzer, this brown mascara thing, and my eye cream. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna bring in to replace it. First up, to replace the bronzer, I'm actually gonna go with a different bronzer. It's the Vibo Beach Cruiser, which already has a pan, but my goal is gonna be to have the full first and second ring visible. That's gonna be my goal for this, because I've had this for years and I definitely can't pan it in like a couple of months. So at least I'm gonna make the 2 rings visible, and that will also make me use it more than I have in the past year, I think. Another ambitious goal is to use up my Paese highlighter. It's the same packaging as the bronzer, and as you can see I do have quite a pan, and this also expired technically a month ago. So I do have a good dip going on and I am enjoying it, so I kind of want to use it up. Let's see how long it takes me, but I am kind of hopeful that I can make it work in a couple of months. And last but not least, to replace my eye cream, I kind of, maybe I said, maybe I didn't, but I do want to have always a skincare item in this project, and I decided to take my sample, or like a mini size, of my Origin Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. Whew, it's a mouthful. 15 milliliters. As you can see, quite a bit of it is already gone, but I just want to use it up. And this one I would not repurchase, like the oil-free, more gel-like version. I guess it's not really for me. I do like the smell though, but I feel like even though my skin is mixed, I do prefer a bit more heavier creams in a way, because this just kind of leaves like a weird feeling afterwards, I feel like. But nevertheless, I'm happy I could try it out, and I want to use it up. Hopefully next month actually this was gonna be finished. And that's it for my Project Pan update. I hope you enjoyed it. I always try to have some rollouts, so I'm doing my best to get there with these items, and I'm thinking next month 1, 2 for sure, maybe 3 if I'm lucky. Anyway, so yeah, just subscribe not to miss my next updates, and give it a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.